there should be clips. Are you recording already?
Yeah.
And here and here. Oh, oh. So much for that. It's a good thing you're getting rid of this radio.
Yeah, I think when I first installed it, I didn't realize there were clips on the old radio. And my radio kept like falling out of the slot.
Wi-Fi. Antenna is not needed, and then just plug in this, because none of this is needed either. Okay. Put that. Oops. That was my bad.
No, it scared me, bro.
Me too, trust me. Took all those away. Could be dead ass, don't need them. Yeah, you do not need that.
Sick.
And then
So I've had this radio for about a month now. I'll show you some of the things I like about it. I like how it automatically connects to my phone. Yep, just like that. The screen works really well. I don't have much signal. Oh, there we go. I like the volume knob on it. Another aftermarket radio I used to have the volume as like touchscreen buttons. So the knob is very easy to use. Don't gotta find where it is. I like how big the screen is. And yeah, overall, I really like this product.